Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Trivia. In today's video, we will be learning about cryptocurrencies, the types of cryptocurrencies and some other information related to cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency. It is a digital or virtual currency, which means it's all an online process. Cryptocurrency is used to buy goods, services and works as a medium of exchange. It uses an online ledger to secure online transactions. The ledger stores the records of individual coin ownership. The ledger is secured using very strong cryptography technique. We will see about this later in this video. The ledger is used to monitor and verify the transfer of coin ownership and to control the creation of additional coins. This technology is called as blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency is bought with credit card or get it through a process known as mining in some cases. The cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets, in online, on the computer or on hardware. Types of cryptocurrencies. There are approximately 6,700 different cryptocurrencies. The most famous is the Bitcoin. The other types of cryptocurrencies are Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash and many others. As mentioned before, the Bitcoin is the most famous of the cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency released in 2009. Now let's look at mining. By mining, users can earn cryptocurrency without having to pay for it. It is a process in which transactions between users are verified and added to the blockchain public ledger. It is a highly complex math problem that are solved by powerful computers. So, by validating the transactions using cryptocurrencies, the miners obtain new cryptocurrency as a reward. This is mining in crypto. And now we will see about cryptography. Cryptography is the method of protecting information through the use of code. It converts the data to unintelligible code and vice versa so that no one except the intended person can read it. The word crypt means hidden or vault and the graphy means writing. Let's look at the advantages of cryptocurrencies. We can transfer funds directly between two parties easily. The fund transfers are processed with minimum fees and no third parties are involved. The disadvantages are these cryptocurrencies are used for illegal activities like money laundering and tax evasions. As a matter of fact, the use of cryptocurrencies is not permitted or banned or illegal in several countries like China, Russia, etc. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Press the like button if you like the video and subscribe for more updates.